XL Fluid Group saw 2023 as our most successful year ever. We focused on three key pillars: quality, capability, and expansion. Investment was made into systems and process documentation here at XL Fluid Group that we haven't seen up till now. This led us to successfully implement testing and performance verification procedures that ensure that our packaged pump stations deliver on time every time. ISO 9001 certification was achieved at XL Fluid Group, ensuring documentation and improvement continues into the future. Our capability improved with our expansion in HDPE manufacturing. Training, additional technicians, and more products produced from stock allowed us to deliver on the expectations of our clients for the premium packaged pump station. We achieved UL certification for building electrical control panels in-house. This accelerates delivery time, improves our flexibility, and ensures clients get the custom solution needed for any application that comes to us as a challenge. Our in-house design and engineering support team is more capable than ever. This allows us to ensure that projects are addressed quickly and efficiently with a number of solutions that the client can review and ensure that results are achieved. Expansion was achieved a number of different ways. We touched all four corners of the United States with packaged pump stations shipping to Maine, Florida, California, and Washington State. Our regional footprint and penetration into challenging projects around Ohio and on the eastern seaboard continued. We saw a 30% increase in our internal staff, both here in the office and on our factory floor, with technicians working both in-house and in the field to ensure packaged pump stations install and perform correctly. Our distributor network expanded as well. This allows us to touch more projects than ever before. 2024 holds exciting opportunities for us. We know the demand on infrastructure remains strong. That means XL Fluid Group must continue to focus on quality, capability, and expansion. That's our mission for '24, and we look forward to doing it together. Thank you very much.